In this video, you will learn what a 301 redirect is, why it is important, and how to set it up for your website. Let's start. Imagine you have moved to a new house. You want to make sure everyone knows your new address. A 301 redirect is like leaving a note on your old mailbox that says, "Hey, I've moved. You can find me at my new place now." This way, people who visit your old address will know where to go to find you. On the internet, websites can also move. A 301 redirect is like a note left on the old website that tells visitors that the website has moved to a new address permanently. This way, people who try to visit the old website will be automatically sent to the new website. Even if they access an old link they bookmarked on their browser, they will be automatically directed toward the new website. Now that you have a basic idea of what a 301 redirect is, let me reveal to you 3 reasons why this redirect aspect is a very important part of website management. Reason number 1, 301 redirect keeps website visitor happy. When people try to visit a website and it's not there, they might get frustrated and leave. A 301 redirect makes sure that visitors can easily find the website they're looking for, even if the address has changed. Reason number 2, it helps search engines. Search engines like Google use 301 redirects to understand that a website has moved. This helps them update their search results so that people can still find the website when they search for it. In the absence of 301 redirects, search engines get confused, which can hurt the website's ranking in search results. Reason number 3, a 301 redirect protects your website's ranking. If a website moves without a 301 redirect, search engines might think the website has disappeared. This can hurt the website's ranking in search results, making it harder for people to find. And if people can't find your website, they won't be able to visit it. This can hurt your business if your website is used to sell products or services. All right, now that we know why 301 redirects are important, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of how to set one up. There are 2 main ways to do this: utilizing the content management system available on a platform like WordPress, or by editing your website's files directly. If you use WordPress to manage your website, then you're in luck. There are many plugins available that can help you create 301 redirects easily. Some popular options include Redirection and Yoast SEO. These plugins usually have user-friendly interfaces that allow you to enter the old and new URLs for the redirect. If you don't use WordPress or prefer a more manual approach, you can also set up a 301 redirect by editing your website's files directly. This typically involves editing a file called htaccess, located in the root directory of your website. However, it's important to note that editing this file can be risky if you're not familiar with code. So, if you're not comfortable doing this yourself, it's always best to consult with a web developer. No matter which method you choose, make sure to create a backup of your website before making any changes to your website's files. This way, if something goes wrong, you can easily restore your website to its previous state. I hope you found this video informative. In the next video, I will be talking about 302 redirect. I will see you there.